Casharee and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I am Casharee, and here on my channel you will find all things related to hair, nails, fashion, lifestyle, and just whatever else I'm in the mood to post a video about. So today's video I'm super excited about because it is all about the first thing people notice when they see you, which is your beautiful smile. Yes, today's video is all about getting our teeth to pearly white perfection. So today I will be using the iSmile California LED Teeth Whitening Kit. And inside this kit, you will receive, of course, your mouth guard. But what's cool about their mouth guard is the fact that it comes with a cord, as you can see, but it's not to plug into a wall outlet. It actually has a USB port on the end where you can plug this directly into your computer or use your USB port extension and plug this directly into your iPhone, Android phone, or any smart device you have on hand. So goodbye batteries. No more batteries going dead because we're just gonna plug this up into our smart device, like so. So once you plug it up, of course, it turns on and you have your blue light, which actually activates the teeth whitening gel, and the red lights is a step beyond that actually decreases sensitivity while you are whitening your teeth. So iSmile California is not just concerned about whitening your teeth, but actually promoting healthy teeth in the process. So the mouth guard has a 15-minute auto shut off, and 15 minutes is the amount of time that you should be whitening your teeth for each session. So you don't have to worry about setting a timer or anything. In the kit, you will also get your whitening gel pens, which are the 3 transparent ones, but you will also get this blue pen, which actually remineralizes the top layer of your teeth post whitening, which is super important because we must protect our teeth enamel while we're whitening our teeth. And a lot of other teeth whitening kits out there don't think about actually promoting healthy teeth while giving us whiter teeth. So that's what's really cool and convenient about this kit in particular. You will also get your teeth whitening shade guide, which will show you on a scale of 1 to 16 from whitest to darkest or brownest where you fall. You can see where you start off and where you end up after you complete all of your sessions. And of course, you have your instructions, which are very straightforward, straight to the point, no confusion there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and apply the whitening gel directly to my teeth, pop my mouth guard in there for 15 minutes, and I will see y'all back in a few. Alright, I've just finished rinsing out my mouth from having the whitening gel on. So I'm now going to go in with the remineralizing gel, which is the blue gel. And I'm going to apply this directly to my teeth, but I'm not going to turn the mouth guard on with this step because it is noted in the instructions that the light is not needed for this step. So I'm just going to put it on my teeth, put the mouth guard in, and leave it on my teeth for 5 minutes. I've now completed the second step in the process and rinsed my mouth out with cold water. And I must say that throughout the process of the teeth whitening process, I didn't experience any extreme discomfort, any burning, any extreme tingling sensation, anything like that. Like once I was actually applying the gel to my teeth, I felt it was like maybe like a slight little tingle, like oh, you're applying something to your teeth, but it never did advance to just full-blown tingling or full-blown any discomfort, anything, nothing of the sort. So I could definitely tell that this iSmile teeth whitening kit was made to take into consideration the sensitivity that some people have to teeth whitening kits, and to just be a little more softer, a little more gentle on the teeth. So if you're someone out there who has sensitive teeth and has always wanted to whiten your teeth but have been afraid because you know all the side effects that might come with the whole teeth whitening process, I would definitely recommend that you give this product a try, just because it's a bit more gentle on the teeth. I know I've tried some teeth whitening kits before in the past, and I can definitely tell that this one is way more gentle than the others that may have a little more extreme tingling or may have a little more discomfort that comes with it. So if you out there have a problem with like teeth stains, if you're a coffee drinker or anything like that, I personally don't drink coffee, and I've never really had a problem with stained teeth. I've just I do drink tea, and I know tea can maybe stain your teeth, but luckily I haven't had a major problem with that. But I just, you know, everybody wants little whiter teeth, you know, who doesn't want some pearly whites? So if you're someone out there like me who has experienced some stained teeth, or just want to have even whiter teeth, I would definitely recommend that you give this product a try. I will continue on to use the kit once a day, every day for the next 2 weeks, because it states in the instructions that that's how often you should use it to receive optimal results. So be sure to check the link in the description box below to where you can purchase the iSmile California kit on Amazon. Thank y'all for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I shall see y'all next time.